class.
Oh, come here. Oh, got it.
Dark sky fading on the mountain range. Morning light about to explode today. Sky glow different when the sunrise break. Hear the roar of the rivers and the quiet of the lakes. Cold air hit like a punch to the chest. First class living way out west. Yeah, the sun hit gold on that long dirt road. Snow caps shining while the low base roll. Mile high state with that first class soul. From the block to the mountains, we don't ever fold. Late night drive, let the cold wind blow. Stars sit closer when the headlights glow. Whole state vibing, you can feel that wave. High country heart, that's the life we made. Sitting there high, make the heartbeat race. Whole wide world looks small from this place. Hands up high when the speakers explode. When the mountains echo when the bassline rolls.
There's the hot springs right there, guys. It's not open right now, but it looks pretty fun.
Make it open.
Ooh, we could make it open.
Just saying.
Follow with us tomorrow, guys. We're gonna do some good fishing tomorrow. We're gonna have some good times. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be right with you.
We fish in any conditions.
Oh. Now this isn't ideal for fishing, but we made it down to one of our spots, but it's raining pretty hard today. So we don't know. Oh, I got one. I got one. As we were just saying, I don't know if we were going to catch any fish today. We already got this one. It's a little baby brown. Ooh, it's cold and it's wet out here today, guys. Ooh, little baby brown. Yeah. Hey. Shoo. See you, buddy. Right on. We were just talking. We didn't know if we were gonna get one out here. We just got down here and it's dumping rain, y'all. But I think we're gonna get lucky. So let's see. Oh, coming. Coming. I'm coming. That's a good one. That's a big one. Oh man, nice fish. Woo! Nice brown. Heck yeah. Gonna let some drag out there, huh? Yeah, perfect. Heck yeah. That's a nice one. Woo! Good job, my love. You're right there on the lip too. Good hook set. Alright, let's get a good picture of him. Yeah, good job, my love.
Woo! Where's your ball? Oh man.
Over here. Have your ball in there. Alright, there we go.
Alright, guys.
Let him back. Woohoo! Kicked off hard. Good job, my love. Yeah. Got one. He's pretty big on. It's a big brown here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, missed it. Got him. Whoa.
He's huge.
Woo. Woo.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow, and he spit it out. Dang. Oh.
West slope water. Chrome in the current, feel that pull back.
On the proof ball, big old male.
Feel that pressure.
Heck yeah, in the rain. Let's let her go. Or him. Get a good water him. Oh, oh. Oh. There he goes. Swimming off, guys. Nice. Big old boy. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Got one. Got one. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh, he's a good one. Ooh. Come here, big guy. That's a rainbow. Ooh, that's a pretty rainbow. Oh, come here, rainbow. Oh, got him. Yeah. Oh, he's pretty. He's pretty. Get one right here. All right, let's get a cool underwater of this good fish and we'll let her go.
West slope vibe, cold river cut the mountain walls.
Can't get missed down. Oh, that looks big. That looks big.
Oh no.
Did he come off?
Yeah, right there.
Right there at the end. I see him. Oh my goodness. He was fairly big. Ah, damn. Let me get another one, love.
Oh, got one.
You got another one?
Yep.
Hey, no.
Did you come off? You came off.
He came off too?
Okay.
Oh. Oh, got one. Yeah. Oh, he's way over there. Oh, shoot. He's taking drag. He's in the middle now. Oh. Oh. He's taking drag. Oh, he's in the middle. Oh no, I'm gonna have to walk down river with him. He's pulling my drag. Oh shoot. I'll tighten this up a little. Alright, come here, big guy. Oh, he's not as big as I thought. I kind of foul hooked him, that's why. He was fighting kind of funny. Oh, because I foul hooked him a little. I thought he was going to be really big. Oh, got a little foul hookage. He swiped at it, but I'm not going to reach in there. When they're hooked like that, guys, don't reach in there and grab them. You're going to hook the crap out of your finger. So bring some forceps with you. And do what you can with those. Because you don't want to get hooked. Right there on that HD brown trout. Heck yeah, guys. Nice little pretty brown. Look at that big old blue dot on him. All right, let's let him go here. Shoot, shoot. There you go, little guy. Shoom. All right.
Oh, got one.
Hey. All right.
Oh,
Stay on there, guy. Stay on there, guy. Tight lines, tight lines. I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, nice, nice round. That's a good fatty too. Ew. Good job, love.
Tighten my drag.
Got it. Shabink. Perfect. Nice. Gonna get your hands wet. Nice, he's pretty. Let's give him a look at. Pretty brown here, guys. Probably about 17, maybe. Alright, yeah. They're on the proof ball, guys. Right on. Alright, let him go.
Are you ready?
You ready? Woo-hoo. Off and swimming. Right there on the HD brown trout again.
Woo.
Whoa, careful.
Sorry, I'm gonna put my cookie.
Heck yeah, that's why we wear these mucking boots, y'all. Yeah, we don't get wet. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, I got one. Got. That's a big one. Where'd he go? Oh, oh, come here, big guy. Oh, oh. Oh, whoa. Got him. All right, he's pretty. Look at the yellow on him.
I was gonna say, I could see that when he was in front of me.
He was pretty. Oh yeah.
Rod tip jerk, don't move too soon. Feel that pressure. Silver roll in a fast run drip. Pike hit me with a head shake shift. Drag sing loud, bass knock deeper.
Real pretty. Let's get him back with those red dots. Man, let's get him back. Thanks, buddy. Oh yeah. There he goes. Woohoo. Every time I go over here, you get one. Yeah, you got him. All right, come on, baby. Yeah. We got one out. Oh, he's right here. I can't reach you. Can't bring him over his side. Oh, there you go. Oh, 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 got him. Yeah. All right, you can stay there. On that HD Brown. Woohoo! Shall I let him go?
Yeah.
All right, look at that pretty one. All those little dots. He's little dotted. Shoo! There you go, buddy. Woohoo! There he goes. Yeah. Oh, coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! Nice, yeah! Nice, Brown. The babe with another one. And another one. Alright. So feisty. Hey, with the nice Brown. There you go, he's pretty. Yeah, honey. Really nice. Alright. Now she's picking it up. Catching up. Yeah. Woo! McKinnon. That's what we do while we're fishing, y'all. Watch our favorite abs. McKinnon. Yeah, buddy. Oh, got one. Got one. Yeah. Oh, he feels heavy. Oh yeah, he feels heavy. Oh, he's just sitting there in the current. There he is. Oh yeah, he ate it. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, come on, don't get off. Don't get off. Oh, come on, yeah. He's pretty. He's pretty. Woo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. He's pretty. Let's get a good underwater view of him, guys. Let's get him back out there. Big male. Get underwater.
I just cast my eyes. Every little hater just a minnow to me. I reel in chicks while they swim in the feed. Yeah. Big fish energy, tug on the line. Bold rock steady while the stars align. If it don't bite, then it just ain't me.
Coming? Oh, he spit that one out too. All right, guys, we're wrapping up day one down here. We were gonna go check into our Airbnb here shortly, but that wasn't a bad start to our trip.
Nope.
Caught some good fish, man. I caught a bunch. I caught a few. couldn't ask for anything more on this day so far, except for it to stop raining a little bit. And it does just as we're getting ready to stop. But you know how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. We might go get a little more fishing in today, but we'll be back with you tomorrow for sure. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, I got one. Oh. 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 He's taking me down. Come on here, big guy. Look at that eagle. Look at that bald eagle right above us. Hey. As I got a fish on. That's cool. Ooh. Come here, guy. Nice. It's a cut bow. Nice size cut bow here, guys. Oh yeah. Fatty. Right there. Right there, guys. Nice big old bow. Sweet. Let's let her go. Oh yeah. She was feisty. Right on. Hey, I don't know if I can make it to you. I'm coming. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm coming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big brown. Oh yeah, got him. Back to back. So that was almost a double up. That was.
Look at him chomp on the
Ooh, he ate that thing sideways. Woo!
Oh, that's gonna be hard to get
Chonked it. Oh yeah.
Don't play too nice, turn the drag up, let it sing real high. Country boy charm, city boy game. Drop one verse, old doc know my name. Bass in the water, bass in the bag, twanging.
Good job, baby.
Feel it and doubt, throw it out to the
For you guys that say these dynamics don't catch fish, look at that little guy. I just looked back at you and I saw him splash. I don't know if you can get it between those rocks though. Oh, you see him? Oh. That was funny. That was just as I was all, do you see him? He smashed. No, he bit it, but right there. Got that little baby with the man. There it goes. Whoa, I was almost falling. All right. Could be our last fish of the day today, guys, but we've had a good day. Let's go. Nice, nice. Ew. We've got one on. Second cast. Here we go. He's a little feller. Got him. Second cast. And he got himself off. All right. Look at that. How easy was that? Look at that little tiny guy.
Looks a lot like my lure.
Yeah. I'll let him go. Look at that little rainbow there. Gee. My babe on the second cast of the day. Come here, little guy. Let me let you go here. Let me let you go. Good job, babe. Thanks, little baby. That's a big one. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh, I thought he was way bigger. He's still pretty big though. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, right there on the backwoods brown. Heck yeah. She just lost a really big one too a second ago. So this one kind of made up for him. Heck it. Whoa. Hang on there, little guy. We'll get a good little underwater of him real quick and show you guys what he looks like.
energy. Hook said hard, I don't play too nice. Turn the drag up, let it sing real high.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
That big old boy.
Dang. Let him go.
Let him go. We don't have our GoPro, so we're just gonna let him go here, guys.
Big fish energy, tug on the line, bold rock steady while the stars align. If it don't bite, then it just ain't me. I'm the
All right.
Dang.
Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. We got a big one on, guys. Do not come off, please. Do not come off, please. Oh my gosh. How did I catch that? Oh, he's just staying right there. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's a big brown. Holy smokes. Holy
Oh my god.
That's the biggest brown of my life.
Holy shit.
Holy cow. Holy
Oh
smokes.
my gosh.
Look at this brown. Oh,
Oh, he's gonna get out. He's gonna get out. He's too big.
holy
How are you gonna
smokes.
give him water?
What a brown. Oh my gosh. Let's give him some water. Holy smokes. That's the biggest brown I've ever caught in my life, you guys. Oh, holy smokes. Alright, wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. My proof ball. My proof ball. Oh no. Proof ball's gone. No. Ooh. Ooh, guys, that proof ball went flying. We had to go chase it. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Fish in my life, guys, right here. Biggest brown I've ever caught. Look at that big boy. Holy smokes. Yes, sir. Let's get underwater this pretty boy. All right.
Catfish, trout, let the small ones go. Every last dab get thrown off the boat. I'm chumming up the water with the stories I tell. Then I rip another verse, watch the ripples yell.
Alright guys, what we just caught that monster fish on is this backwoods rainbow trout. Awesome, awesome lure here. He gulfed that thing sideways. There's teeth marks on it. That's how hard he smacked it. Go get you guys some backwoods lures, guys. You won't regret it. On camera. Nice fish. Woo! With the big fish. Alright. You get it. Hey, with the big fish. Won't.
Catfish, trout, let the
Nice,
small ones
kinda
go.
flatten his tail
Every
back
last
out, he's
dab
hiding.
get thrown off the boat.
There you
I'm
go, like
chumming
that,
up the water
perfect.
with the stories I
Nice
tell.
fish.
Then I rip another verse, watch the ripples yell.
Fish, hey, woo woo. Alright, there you go. Ooh. Set him out nice. Good job, love. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. Where did he come from? Oh gosh. Oh. 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 Jeez, he's gator rolling. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Another monster brownie.
Shoo!
Holy cow.
What's in there?
Backwoods lures. Holy smokes.
While the stars align, if it don't bite, then it just ain't me. I'm the
Pretty
whole damn
brown.
lake in the deep blue
Pretty
sea.
nail brown right there.
Splash when I pull,
The kite's on him.
winds and my heart stay full.
Pretty.
Feel that bump, better let it be.
Heck yeah, we're getting underwater in him.
Fish energy.
Heck yeah. Good to see that right there. Boom, look at that big old boy. Woo.
Cast it, let it run. It's that big fish energy. Got the whole pond sprung. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. You son of a. Hey. Hey, that little guy. Eee. Oh. Here's a little guy. Yeah, little guy. Hey, first fish of the day. What do you say? Little guy. He's almost as big as the lure too. Gee. Alright, let him go from the distance. Hi buddy. Oh, he took off. Woohoo. Still got him? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's right here, baby. Right here. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! That's a big one. Oh yeah. Nice fish, love.
Get that?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Dang, that could be my babe's PB trout right there. Heck yeah. Look at this, guys. That's Amanda's PB trout right there.
Woo!
Dang, look at the mouth on him.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Let me get a picture with you. Daddy. Yeah, there we go, guys. Nice fish. Woo!
My jeans,
Heck
my
yeah,
shoes,
big
broken
trout.
bell
Let's let
buckle,
him go.
spitting my truth. Beer in the bag,
Yeah,
rods
good
in the
job.
rag, whole lake jump when the truck door cracked. Snap back low, but the brim
That's a
sit
big
high.
fish.
I don't cast lines, I just cast my eyes. Every little hater just a minnow to me. I rail in chicks while they swim in the feed.
The last guy out in the middle.
Okay. Oh, just got one. Got one. Hey. He's not very big. Got one on, guys. He's not too big, but I'm keeping him in this. Trying to keep him out of this current here. Oh, here he is. Oh, he's not too bad. Oh, he's zipping. Oh, got him. All right. Oh, he's pretty though. Oh, he gulfed it. Look at that. He smashed that thing. Oh. That thing's deep inside of him. Let's see here. Oh. Alright guys, I got that nice little brownie right there. He's pretty. Look at that red fin on the back over there. Alright, let's let her go. Oh, she's swimming right back towards us. Look at that. She's just hanging out. That would have been a good underwater right there. Man, that would have been a good underwater. Phew. Ow! Got me. Whew. Tight quarters. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh, he's big. Dang, he's real big.
Oh. Is it?
All over it.
Oh.
Oh, God. He's big.
Huge.
Dang. Phew, he's bigger than mine.
Huge. I barely caught him.
I can see them from up there. The fish.
There, a rainbow. This little rainbow on the proof ball there. Heck yeah, we'll see how big she is. Nice colors on her. Let's let her back go. Let her go. Back home is what I meant to say. Oh. Alright. Tiny. Tiny little guy. Whoa, whoa. There we go, guys. It's been a little while. We switched it up to a little Joe's fly here. And we caught us a little tiny guy. It's been a little while. We've been up river, down river, cross river. Finally got us a little itty bitty guy. Heck yeah, let's let him go. On the Joe's fly. Get bigger, get bigger. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and he let himself
And he
off.
let itself off. Here, grab a hold of his net. I'm still out there. I gotta get mine in. Dang, what a beast. That's a big trout. Let me hook this back here. Dang. You guys, my babe just smacked a big one. Was that your second cast?
It does.
At least, huh? You can go ahead and sit this down. Babe, you've caught two of your best browns today. That's great.
Ready, look at his reds.
Let me get this in. Oh, what a good trout. Woo! Alright guys, so what my babe just been catching all them fish on today is this HD dynamic lure. It's the rainbow trout. I think it's the not the version 2, not the ghost, but it might be the version 2 rainbow trout HD right there. Dynamic lures, guys. Let's try it out. Let's try to give it a go. Hold him there, hold him there, hold him there. Not really. He's a pretty good size. Nice. Right on. Oh, I didn't get him on camera. I must have been filming or something
Oh, don't you do it.
and didn't notice. Come here, big guy. You get out of there. You get untangled. My love just slashing it over here. She's killing it. Good job, love. Let this little guy go.
Yep.
All right, nice little brownie. Beat it, nerd. Whoa, he was quick. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for following with us the whole day, the whole anniversary weekend. We had a great weekend. We had 3 days of non-stop fishing, guys. So cheers to that. It's our 8th anniversary, guys, so cheers to that as well. Thanks for fishing first class, guys. Those were some monster fish we caught today. We caught some good ones today.
Yes, we did.
So thanks for fishing first class, y'all. We'll be with you on the next one.
Yeah. First class. Small town roots, big dreams.